Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Polycom ceiling microphone and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this microphone is not connecting to your devices or not syncing with your network or anything like that, or if it's just not making proper sound, it's not picking up sound, it doesn't seem to be detected, or things like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because it will be restored to its out-of-the-box settings. And that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get this set up again to the way it was when it came out of the box, because maybe you're connecting it to a new network or something like that, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. You're going to need a magnet, and you can either climb up on a ladder or use like a yardstick or something to hold it. But basically, where this connects here, we're going to go off 2.5 inches off there to the side, and you should see a small little sensor. And what you'll do is you'll hold the magnet, take a magnet and hold it up to the sensor for about 7 seconds. After about 7 seconds, you should see the indicator light blinking amber. And that indicates that the reset has begun. You can allow the reset to complete and then set this microphone up as a new device.